In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide elements in the Wix Mobile Editor 2026 guide. Optimizing for mobile often means simplifying what visitors see on smaller screens. In Wix, hiding something on mobile doesn't delete it and won't affect your desktop site, so you can safely tailor the mobile experience without risking your main design. Let's start with individual elements. If a video, image, or text box feels cramped on mobile, open the mobile editor and select the item you want to remove from view. You can right-click and choose Hide, or use the Hide element icon in the floating menu, the one that looks like an eye with a slash. The element disappears only on mobile, making the layout cleaner immediately. This is great for decorative images, lengthy text blocks, or videos that slow down the page on smaller devices. Sometimes hiding one thing isn't enough, and it makes more sense to remove an entire section. Click the section and choose Hide Section from mobile to take out a whole block of content in one move. You can do the same with strips and container boxes to quickly reduce clutter and fix spacing issues. After you hide a section or container, drag the remaining elements or strips upward to close any gaps. Keep an eye on alignment guides as you move things and maintain consistent spacing so the page still looks polished and intentional. If you change your mind, everything you hide is easy to restore. On the left-hand toolbar, open the Hidden on Mobile panel, the eye icon. You'll see a list of everything that's hidden on the current page. Click the Show Element plus icon next to the item you want to bring back, and it will reappear. You may need to reposition it slightly to match the new layout. It's a good habit to preview your page on mobile after restoring items to make sure the flow still reads well. A quick word on how mobile and desktop relate in Wix. The sync is one way. Changes you make in the desktop editor will influence the mobile layout, but mobile-only tweaks, like hiding elements or rearranging them, won't change your desktop site. If you hide something from the desktop version and need a different version for phones, add a mobile-only element so it shows up just on mobile without cluttering your desktop design. That wraps up this quick tutorial. If you have any questions about optimizing your mobile site, feel free to leave a comment below. Whether you're curating a professional portfolio or building a client project, these techniques help you deliver a fast, focused mobile experience.